Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to build staircases. So there are a few things you need to do to build a staircase. One, of course, you need to have the resources for it, wood and stone. Other thing you need to do is pretty much just press tab, go to your technology tree. You'll need to have either a wooden structure set at level 2. So once you level up the first time, most people just unlock all of these, right? And you need a wooden structure set, and at level 18, as you can see, you need to unlock stone structure set, which is pretty much what most players use by the time they've unlocked this. So how do you do this? Of course, like what I said, you need the resources to build them. So to do this, press B, and then of course you're going to be in foundations, right? If you're not in foundations, just use the scroll, the mouse wheel to scroll down until you hit foundations. So to do this, you would need to have either, of course, you need to have foundations, right? So here in our base, we already have a stone foundation. Let's go back to B. And what we need to do next is make stone walls around. So let's do that, and again, another one here. And then what you want to do is scroll another one and then click on stone roof and build one stone roof for the landing of the stairs, and then press B again and click stone stairs or wooden stairs, whatever you want. And as you can see here, you can build stone steps, stone stairs, like so. Just click on that, and there you go. That's your staircase, and you can go through that, go up, and just start building your second floor of your base or your home. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.